Hey, today we're going to look at mixing scenes from different templates. We're going to answer Jan's question about word length and animation. We're going to look at the implementation of folders for your uploads, and we're going to look at an update to music track placement and fading out of music. Hope you enjoy. Hi. One of the questions that's been asked recently is how easy is it to use the ability to mix and match scenes from different templates? Well, it's really relatively simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to do just that. So we're going to go here to templates, and we're going to search for Black Friday, and here you can see there's a whole bundle of Black Friday templates. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here where it says view scenes. Now in this particular Black Friday thing there's only one scene, so we're going to add that. Yes. And while we're here we're going to get rid of this blank scene now that we've got there. And I'm also going to get rid of the music. So now we've got a scene here, and we can play that. As you can see, it's a sort of computery Black Friday with 50% off everything in store. Now what we're going to make today probably won't make sense, but it's about demonstrating the principles. So if we go to back to Black Friday deals ads, let's have a look at this one here. So we click view scenes. 25% off laptops. Let's add this scene here. Okay, so now we've got a second scene, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go here, view scenes, and let's add a product scene. So now we've got 3 scenes. Let's go back and let's have a different one here. So let's add a scene. Yes. So now we've got 4 scenes. Yep. And of course we can then go and customize those scenes. Yeah, so we could change the date. Starts Jan, oops, should be in capitals, January 23rd. Go to the second one. We could change our website name. On store.net. We could add a logo in there. I think we go to uploads. I've got some logos. Okay, so let's use this logo here, and what we have to do is get the logo to light up, and it's there. It is. So that's the logo there, and we can make it a bit bigger. Those blue lines are important because if you drop it into another set of blue lines, or even the whole slide, it will fill those. So now we've changed the logo on there. Let's have a look on here. And brand shoes. Well, let's drag one of these across. Let's replace. Okie doke. Anyway, it shows you the principle that you can change the item. And we're going to do that down to there. We're going to move that to there. Okay, let's move that to there. Let's move that to there. And hey presto, we've got a thing here. Let's change it from brand shoes to portable freezer. I'm doing this very quickly, just really so that we can see what goes on. And again, we can move the logo over. Again, you saw I dropped it the wrong size. So that's that, and then let's go to the last one. And let's change that to click on store.net. Okay, so now if we play all the scenes, we've got one template's Black Friday, a second template Black Friday, and we could do with moving this up here, but it's just really about showing you that you can use different things from different places. Okay, so that's using different scenes from different templates. The last thing we could do here, of course, is we could add some music. So the key thing we need to remember is we need to move our stick, our pointer, right to the front. Let's go, what should we go for? Let's go for some electronic. I quite like that, so I'm simply going to add that, and then I'm going to go to the end, and you can see it's added that and fulfilled that all. So now if we play that, not the prettiest thing, but it does show us that you can mix and match different scenes. Jan asked if there is any restriction on the length of a word when using the animation style for text character, and the answer is don't know. So I looked in the dictionary and found out what the longest word is in the English dictionary, and it's this. Microscopic colour. Yeah, I can't pronounce it, but it's the disease caused when you inhale silica specifically generated from a volcano. So it's a form of lung disease. So I put the word in. I'm going to make it as big as I can. I'm going to go back down to animation. I'm going to select character, and I'm going to turn the duration up to the maximum 3 seconds. And now we'll find out whether there is a limit to the length of a word. So let's hit play. Oh, and I made a mistake. I've character, but I haven't told it what to do. So let's slide it in from the right. So let's try again, hit play scene, and there you can see that the longest word in the dictionary is capable of being utilised with that text animation character and slide in from the right. Okay, there's a new feature that I really like, and that's folders. I can now put things inside a folder. And that will allow me to take my uploads and make them more useful, in that I can look at just a relevant project or a customer or any group of items I want. So I could have a thing called vegetables if I want. So this new button here says folders, and I've already got a folder called TAD, that's Think and Do, that's my company, and I'm going to create a new folder. And we talked about vegetables. Yeah, so let's create vegetables. Create a folder called vegetables. And now if I go into uploads, I can scroll down. Whoa, that's a bit of sound there. Sounded like a ship. I can move the broccoli. So move to folder vegetables. I can take the peppers. Move to folder vegetables. And the rest of them are mainly fruit by the look of things, but you get the principle. So let's nip back to folders. Let's look at vegetables, and in a few moments we'll see just vegetables. It's a bit slow at the moment. I think my internet's having a bit of fun today. So let's go back to folders. Sorry, upload, folders, go back, create a new folder, and let's put this one as fruit. So create a folder called fruit, go to uploads, and we saw there was some fruit. So there's my apple, and I can simply click move to folder, move it to fruit. Strawberry, move to folder, fruit. Banana, move to folder, fruit. Oh, there was another vegetable, that's a carrot, so let's move that. Move to folder vegetables. Cherry, move to folder fruit. Orange, move to folder fruit. And a lemon, we'll move to folder fruit. And of course you can do all of this for client stuff as well. So let's go to folders, let's create a new folder. This is for my client catering equipment. Create a folder, go to uploads, and these items here are items for them. So I can go to move to folder, catering equipment, move to folder, catering equipment, move to folder, catering equipment. And there was a load more of their stuff down here, as you can see. Simply move to folder, catering equipment. I won't do the rest, but you get the idea. Once or twice I clicked on the item instead of clicking on the three dots, and so it got loaded onto the screen. But this was about adding an item to a folder. Yes, I know there is only one level at the moment, but hey, it is a level that we never had before, and I'm sure the guys will at some stage give us subfolders. Okay, one little change with music that I think is quite useful is if we go to music, we've got Hello Mr. Princeton here. Now before I'd have to delete that. Now I can choose my track. Let's listen to that. That'll do. And if I click on here, I've now got replace music. And there we have. If we play the track now, instead of that horrible Mr. Princeton. Now it's an all or nothing situation. It replaces all your music, yeah, but it does replace it and fit the scene to order, so that's great. One more thing is people keep telling me that the fade out doesn't work. Now it goes up, as you can see, to 10, 11, 12, yeah, but the reality is that 5 is about the maximum that works. So if we play it again, you can see that 5 gives you a reasonable fade out. If you take it all the way up to 10, yeah, play it again. But look, it's changed itself back to 5. Yeah, so let's try it with a different number. Play it again, and again, as you can see, it's changed itself to 5. So 5, even though the counter will let you go up there, but 5 does give you a pretty reasonable fade out. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this week's tutorials. I hope you found the 4 topics useful. Bye.